a chilly Sunday afternoon. We're out here gonna feed Candy. Just got done with the tractor saving the earth while it burned 5 gallons of fuel, trying to clean itself. I don't get it. Anyways, there's Wyatt. Candy's out of hay, so she's kind of mad at us. Get out there and see if we can get her happy. Candy Cane waiting patiently. There's Boy. He's waiting patiently too. Them fed. Happy. No. Cows on the top of the hill. They've actually doing really good. We haven't fed them yet. Today's what, the 17th of July? Or not July. Holy cow, I wish it was July. December. They're just doing fine. We're going to go walk back there here in a little bit and make sure that the water's broke open for them. See how they're doing with that. See Candy, she looks like she pulled half the bale out to protest the hay she's got. Things are just going to have to toughen up. Look at her though. She knows what's up. Come on, Candy girl. And there's two, let's see, I guess it's a bull and a steer in here with her. Their mamas aren't here, so they are living with Candy. And the rest of them are locked up with the bull. See if we can keep Candy's head out of the way. She says she just can't wait. Hey Wyatt! What? Can you get Candy out? Can you get the milk cow out of the feeder? Hate to drop a 1,000-pound bale of hay on her head. We better push that down a little bit. That ain't gonna work. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Oh, come on. There we go, we win. Candy's happy. She's got her brand new bale of hay. That'll probably set them for a week or so. Here comes the wild ponies. They're all fat and sassy too. There's Zig. Big mama. They're all fat and happy. Hi girl. Hi babies. Oh yeah, extreme close-up, huh? Guess we'll pay a little follow the leader here. So everybody's got to follow me. Go for a little walk up here. We'll go walk out to the creek and see what the water situation is. Every time you start the tractor, the cows think it's their birthday and they need a cake. So go make sure that they're not thirsty or something out there. They're still pretty good feed, even though it doesn't look like it. They've been doing real good. These cows look like they're doing real good. Despite their complaints, they're all full, they're all fat. They just want to give up working and live off the feed truck, but that ain't ready to happen quite yet. Hey girl, let's go see how the water is. You can see there the dry grass is still about 3-4 feet tall. And then on these south-facing hills, it's kind of melted off. They can get down. I am seeing the creek is froze over. I'm going to walk it here and see if there's a place they're drinking. If not, we'll have to get that busted open. But there they are, up there waiting for the feed wagon. But what they don't want to admit, that is a feed wagon. So we'll keep keeping them grazing as long as they're doing well. If they start to slip off a little bit, we'll start feeding them hay. But gosh, they weren't here all summer, so there's a whole summer's worth of feed here, and the longer we go, the better. So anyways, hope you're having a beautiful Sunday afternoon.